So I've been totally blind since birth. And for me, my experience has always revolved around touch and hearing and my non-visual senses.
That's Lindsay, and the world isn't really designed for her. One of the most important ways she interacts with the world is through touch.
And so, for me to learn about anything, I was always touching things. That was just how I built up so much of my knowledge of the world.
People need media that is accessible to them to learn. Without documents that are tagged with headers, without videos that have captions or long descriptions, people commonly cannot access that content. And one of the primary ways in which we can make information non-visually accessible is through the sense of touch.
At this point, you might be thinking, what even is tactile media? One of the oldest, most formalized kinds of tactile media is Braille.
Braille is so important because it impacts literacy for someone who is blind or visually impaired, promotes independence, and it's shown that it impacts educational advancement and also employment for someone who is blind or visually impaired.
And did you know that we have one of the largest Braille and tactile media production lines in North America, right here on Georgia Tech's campus at the Center for Inclusive Design and Innovation? Learn how CIDI makes education attainable through collaborations like the Tactile Media Alliance at cidi.gatech.edu.